welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this fire install. I am wearing 26 inches of curly from Alipearl hair. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this beautiful look, keep on watching. This is it fresh out the box, and y'all, it's eaten. So I'm gonna go ahead and just attach the straps and then put it on. Guys, so this is how it's looking. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off around my ears and then begin the install. So I'm just gonna go ahead and begin to put my cap down. Oh, I don't see my comb. Metal comb. So I am gonna keep it in a middle part. Begin to lay that line. And then I'm going to do the same to this side. I'm gonna take my band, and I didn't spray anything on it. I'm gonna take my band and put it on and leave it on for about 5 minutes. And once that's finished, I will continue the install. I'm gonna use some avian melt spray. Tap, tap. As y'all can see, it is melted. Okay, y'all? It is melted. Take my band, and I am pulling it as tight as I can. I'm gonna leave this on for 5 minutes. Love this band though. Super, super tight. Super, super rare. All right, I'm gonna let this sit for 5 minutes, and I'll come back on the camera and we'll get our baby hair started and all that good stuff. I'm taking off the band. So this piece right here is a sideburn piece. All right, you guys, so I'm just going ahead and pulling out my desired baby hairs. Not to mention, like, I didn't pluck anything. It was just given. Trying to eat my hair up. Guys, now I'm going to be doing my baby hair with my baby hair glue. Alright, you guys, so now that I'm finished with my baby hairs, I'm just going ahead and hot combing it a little bit. I'm not going to overly hot comb it because I want a puffy look still, but I also want a flat look. Alright, you guys, so my camera cut off while I was talking, but I was saying, like, I'm just hot combing certain areas. Right, and then I'm just gonna I want my curls to have that effect like that, but hold on, y'all. I am going to lick a little bit of black spray, but just a little bit. That is like just enough, but I need some. I'm almost out. Right there. Go in my part. just like that. This is the final look. And then like I said, I'm just gonna tease the hair out a little bit. I'm not going to wet it. I love the natural curl pattern that it came in, and I love that the hair was already kind of like pre-plucked and pre-bleached to the point where I don't have to do anything. Ooh, I am wearing hair from Alipearl, and this is a 26 inch. With it stretched, it comes to like right underneath my boob. I'm not sure what this curl pattern is, but I will definitely leave it in the description box. Y'all can see, super full, super pretty, super cute. Alright you guys, so I wet it up just to see how it would look, and y'all, it is still super full. It did not get, Jesus, I hit my hand. It did not get flat or anything. It still looks luscious and pretty, and yeah. So comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this install. Make sure you guys check out Alipearl for some bomb quality, affordable, super full, super thick, super pretty hair. And thank you guys so much for watching.